Vriddhi Wage Finance presenting Craftsman Automation Limited IPO detail 2021. Basically, this is again one of the engineering company, and we will brief about this company more in detail in this video. For further information, keep watching the videos. Craftsman Automation Limited Company detail. Craftsman Automation started a journey in the year of 1986 as a small-scale industry in the southern city of Coimbatore. Has grown become a leader of precise manufacturing in the diverse field. The years of experience they have in this engineering field is the strength of their commitment and determine the customer focus culture of quality and unique emphasis on social responsibility empower team of craftsman limited automation limited is based in Central Tower 4th floor 1078 Avanish Road, Coimbatore is their Tamil Nadu is their registration office, where headquarter of Craftsman Automation Limited is into 123/4 Sangagothi Palayam Road, Arasur Post, Coimbatore 641407, Tamil Nadu. So you can have a look around their website also, and you will analyze it, what they do, what is their business over there, and how they doing the business since 1986. Craftsman Automation Limited IPO prediction. We are expecting this IPO will be oversubscribed by 25% to 70% over subscription based, because this company is based basically into the south region of India. Please keep watch on a grey market strategy. You will analyze it, what is their current status, what they do, and whatever their changes is happening around the media. Dear investor, market risk on own decisions, so we can't comment on anything. You can do study by your own. This is just purpose to tell our investors what is basically the company into, and how they have grown their business, and whether you would like to invest in to the market at IPOs. We are basically encouraging to investor to do investment into the IPOs to grow their money and company strategy too. You can visit on craftsmanautomations.com. See there, if you visit on their client contact locations, you will find it. They are having amazing products. You can inquire on their website, that is automotive powertrain, automotive aluminum casting for industrial product, high-end precision product and assembling, industrial precision and cleaning machine, material handling, apart from that storage solution, gearbox, gearbox, special purpose machine, tool room, mold base, sheet metal, etc. Craftsman Automation Limited company focusing majorly into the three segments, that is automotive powertrain and other automotive aluminum product, including industrial and engineering division that is engaged into manufacturing material, handling equipments, etc. That is hoist, industrial gears, marine and engine, crane kits, gearbox, locomotive equipment, storage solution, etc. Where this company is into the 12 state-of-arts manufacturing facility across 7 cities of India, and it has It is customer based, including Tata Motors, Daimler India, Tata Cummins, Mahindra and Mahindra, Royal Enfield, Siemens, Escort, Ashok Leyland, V Commercial Vehicles, TAFE Motors and Tractors, etc. Craftsman Automation Limited IPO detail. This IPO opening date is on 15th of March 2021. IPO closing date is on 17th of March 2021. Issue type is book build issue. IPO face value is rupees 5 per equity shares. IPO price band between rupees 1,488 rupees to rupees 1,490 rupees per equity share. One market lot size is 10 shares per lot and minimum order quantity is 10 shares per lot. You can order minimum order quantity is 10 share and market lot is 10 shares per lot, where basis of allotment date is on 22nd of March 2021. Initiation of refunds is on 23rd March 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account is on 24th March 2021. IPO listing date is on 25th March 2021. Craftsman Automation IPO is very valuable IPO, and this is one of the engineering automation company, so you can find a long-term growth over in this IPO. Keep watch our Craftsman IPO in detail, where we have predicted this IPO too, and in that case we can revise our prediction about it. We are expecting this oversubscription 40% to 120% oversubscription. Please keep watch on a grey market strategy. You might get a listing gain more than your expected price. Srinivas Ravi is a promoter of this company, and market risk on own decision. Dear investor, we always tell you whether this company is really worth for your valuable money, where you should invest it for a listing gain or for a long-term position. It depends on your own decisions, because your money and your demat account both are important. Thank you for subscribing Riddhivesh Finance, and we will keep updating you about Craftsman Automation India Limited.